Welcome to DreamLab, where imagination, science, and philosophy weave together to make your nights restful and your mind open to wonder. Here, each story is crafted to spark curiosity, ease you into dreams, and offer glimpses into the universe you might never have explored before. If these journeys relax or inspire you, gently tap like and subscribe. It truly helps support more dreamy adventures together. Tonight's voyage is called 101 Facts About the Milky Way Galaxy. Together, we will gently drift between the stars, uncovering calming truths about our cosmic home. Along the way, you'll discover the secrets tucked inside nebulae, the awe of our galaxies, luminous arms, and mysteries held by distant black holes, all designed to ease you peacefully into sleep while nurturing your curious spirit. Chapter 1. A Starry Welcome to the Milky Way. Picture yourself floating quietly in the velvet dark sea of space, surrounded by countless shimmering stars. Each pulse of light is a distant sun, and together they spiral in a beautiful, calm dance that forms the Milky Way. As you breathe deeply, sense the vast peace all around you, the gentle hush that cradles every dream and every wonder of the night. Take a slow, centering breath. Feel your body sink into comfort as you close your eyes. With each exhale, imagine yourself drifting further from Earth's surface, the familiar fading as space welcomes you with cool serenity. Above and below, more and more stars emerge, spreading out like a sparkling ocean. Let that vastness soothe your thoughts. You are safe, and your journey among the stars is just beginning. Floating high above Earth, the planet looks like a gentle blue marble spinning in quiet darkness. Further still, you pass through soft, wispy clouds until only moonlight and the glimmer of distant suns guide your way. The silence of space is calming, so different from the noise of daily life. In this stillness, there is time to listen and learn. The stars are ready to share their ancient tales with you tonight. Let your imagination paint the Milky Way gently around you, a graceful spiral made of starlight stretching across the universe. The arms of this galactic wonder coil in elegant, soft arcs, each strand glittering with billions of suns. It is a galactic family held together by gravity and time. And tonight you are its honored guest, gently drifting along these arms as you settle deeper into rest. As you travel along the Milky Way's spiral arms, notice how stardust swirls like powdered silver in the cosmic breeze. These clouds of dust and gas are the birthplace of new star-soft nurseries cradling the next wonders of our galaxy. The air here feels gentle and ancient. Let yourself be enveloped in the quiet comfort of knowing that here, everything moves in rhythms both slow and timeless. Look to your left, and you might see a cluster of young, hot stars glimmering with blue-white light. These newborns sparkle more brilliantly than diamonds, casting pale halos through the dark. To your right, older golden stars offer a warmer glow, like candlelight in a vast cathedral. Both young and old, each star has its own story to tell, gently mingling in the calm night. Feel a soothing sense of wonder as you realize every star you see with your eyes on Earth or from here belongs to just one spiral galaxy among countless billions. The Milky Way, your cosmic home, sweeps across the night sky like a painter's brushstroke. Picture yourself gliding above its glowing rivers, your thoughts growing still, carried along by starlit currents that promise gentle discoveries ahead. Imagine the faint glow of the Milky Way's heart, far away from earthly lights. Here, stars are packed closely together, almost touching, creating a river of light that pulses gently through space. The air is soft and welcoming, each photon a tiny invitation to relax and listen. In this gentle, starlit embrace, you feel the protective comfort of belonging to something infinitely grand and beautifully mysterious. drifting a little closer. Feel how the diffuse arms of the galaxy wrap around you like a celestial blanket. With every quiet breath, you float past gas clouds tinted violet and blush pink nebulae where stars are born. These are the nurseries of the cosmos, filled with delicate light and ancient stories. You are welcome here, a gentle observer in this slow cosmic evolution, safely cradled by the arms of the Milky Way. Pause for a moment and sense the gentle pulse of the galaxy beneath you, a whisper of movement as billions of stars swirl around the center. This spiral pattern has swung in the darkness for over 13 billion years, a quiet cosmic dance unhurried by time. Feel how age, distance, and wonder blend together, creating the perfect space for sleep and curiosity to gently intertwine tonight. Here, far from the rush of Earth, you notice the quiet harmony that pervades the Milky Way. Its spiral arms move together in perfect rhythm, always swirling yet never in haste. It is a place of patience, of delicate balance. Let your mind rest in that balance, the stars above offering gentle encouragement to release any lingering worries, allowing your thoughts to soften into the tranquil night. The farther you float into the Milky Way, the softer the darkness seems. It is filled not with emptiness, but with gentle possibility. Each pinprick of starlight is both a story and a lullaby, passed along by ancient photons that have journeyed for ages just to greet you here. Let those starlit lullabies lead you deeper, their stories weaving gently through your dreams tonight. Tonight, the spiral arms stretch endlessly before you, soft waves of stars sweeping through the cosmic deep. Every gentle arc is alive with light and possibility. As you float, imagine the comforting hum of the galaxy's movement, a background song that rocks you ever closer to restful sleep. Feel yourself held safely among these billion suns, drifting slowly further into dreaming while you listen and learn. As you journey onward, you'll notice clouds of faint stardust drifting by, cool and weightless. Within these clouds, new suns begin to glow, their light soft and playful, like fireflies along a midnight path. Each newborn star is a gentle spark of hope, illuminating your way and reminding you that, in the Milky Way, every ending becomes a new, beautiful beginning. Rest easy in their glow tonight. Float past glowing rivers of gas, bright with promises of new light. Listen for the gentle hum of creation, a song without words that runs through every spiral. In these clouds, atoms come together to form brilliant stars, each one a tiny miracle within the galaxy's embrace. These stories of birth and transformation remind you that, as you rest, your mind is free to grow and imagine new dreams. Gaze across the galaxy and spot the dark lanes of dust that wind through the glowing arms. Although they block starlight, these mysterious bands are gatherings of hope and future. Inside them, hidden from sight, are the seeds for thousands of new suns, quietly waiting their turn to shine. Let this mystery comfort you. Not everything bright must be seen, and sometimes resting in the darkness helps you shine later on. Let your thoughts trace the soft outline of the Milky Way as it stretches across your mind's eye. Each gentle curve leads to another story, another lesson to lull you into slumber. Here, in this cosmic embrace, your curiosity and your need for rest exist together in perfect harmony. Allow yourself to drift, cradled by galactic light, safe in the knowledge that you are part of this endless cosmic story. As you float deeper into the spiral arms, stars gather more closely, their lights blending together into a hazy river. This softly glowing band is the same Milky Way you can see from dark places on Earth, a shimmering path that arcs overhead on summer nights. Allow your mind to follow that path tonight, unhurried and at ease, with each step taking you further into gentle curiosity and calm. Envision the gentle gravity that holds the galaxy together, a quiet force that works patiently, bringing stars and planets into one great family. Without haste, this gravity flows through everything, including you. It tethers you softly to the story of the Milky Way, reminding you that you belong, here and now, to this incredible universe. Let that connection ground you as you rest, inviting sleep ever closer. The Milky Way's arms are lined with open clusters gatherings of stars that drift together through space, like distant relatives sharing a journey home. Picture these clusters twinkling in subtle blues and golds, their glow tender and quiet. As you pass by, let each cluster welcome you in, a silent invitation to join the ancient drifting family of stars wrapped in acceptance and calm delight. Further in the distance lie gentle clouds of glowing hydrogen, painting the arms of the Milky Way with faint ribbons of color. These delicate clouds are a peaceful blend of color and quiet, pinks, purples, and golds swirling slowly around ancient light. Relax, knowing that all of these cosmic elements exist in balance, combining to give the Milky Way its unique, graceful beauty. You are now gently exploring. Tonight, as you listen and drift, remember that you are a small, cherished part of this great galaxy. Each heartbeat echoes with the rhythm of the Milky Way's slow dance. Let the galaxy's ageless calm settle around you, steady and serene, as you prepare to explore more of its mysteries. With curiosity as your compass and rest as your guide, your gentle journey among the stars is only just beginning. Chapter 2: Counting the Stars, Galactic Neighbors. Imagine drifting quietly among the vast tapestry of stars that makes up our Milky Way. Each point of light, though distant, shares our cosmic home. How many stars shine here with us? Tonight, we journey deeper, exploring not just numbers, but the wondrous diversity, ancient stories, and faraway distances that shape our galactic neighborhood. The Milky Way is a swirling sea of stars. Scientists estimate there are between 100 and 400 billion stars nestled within its spiral arms. Each star is a sun unto itself, some blazing bright, others dim and quietly burning. Our own sun is just one among this sparkling chorus, cradled in a small, unremarkable corner of the galaxy's mighty expanse. These billions of stars come in all sizes and colors, some much larger and hotter than our sun, glowing blue-white with intense energy. Others are small, cool red dwarfs living long and gentle lives. Between them are yellow suns like ours and rare giant stars that burn briefly before fading away. This astounding variety fills the Milky Way with cosmic color and surprise. If you could travel at light speed, you'd still need hundreds of thousands of years to cross the Milky Way from edge to edge. Neighbors, in galactic terms, can be light years apart. Even the closest star system to our Sun, Alpha Centauri, is over 4 light years away. Yet, compared to the galaxy's size, this distance is just a tiny step in a vast celestial dance. Each star holds its own ancient secrets. Some have been shining in the Milky Way for more than 10 billion years. These stellar elders witnessed the galaxy's youth, enduring cosmic storms and waves of star birth. Others are young, just recently sparking to life, their planets and stories still forming. This blend of ages creates a living record of time within our galaxy. Imagine standing on an alien world, looking up at a sky sparkling with unfamiliar stars. Most of those stars, unseen from Earth, quietly burn within the Milky Way's far-flung regions. Some lie shrouded in clouds of dust, others shine bright in lonely emptiness. Our sun, from those worlds, would be nothing but a faint spark among untold billions. The stars closest to us form what astronomers call the solar neighborhood. This community contains more than 60 stars within just 16 light-years of Earth. Most are small red dwarfs that escape naked eye sight. A few, like Sirius and Proxima Centauri, are more familiar, shining as guiding beacons while the rest quietly fill the sky's gentle glow. Look up on a clear night, and you might see a few thousand stars twinkling overhead. Yet, with powerful telescopes, astronomers can peer deeper and reveal millions more, hidden by distance or cosmic dust. The greater the magnification, the more we see how truly crowded and full the Milky Way is with shining companions, each on its celestial path. Each star moves within the Milky Way, guided by gravity's gentle pull. Some travel together in pairs or clusters, bound by shared origins. Others drift alone across millions of years. These motions mean that our galactic neighborhood is always changing, with stars weaving slow, majestic journeys that play out across the background of the universe. Not all stars are solitary. Many exist in binary or even triple systems, dancing in gravitational embrace with their companions. Some pairs orbit so closely that their outer layers mix, sharing light and energy. Others circle at great distances, locked in a slow waltz. These relationships shape the life and fate of each star, weaving hidden stories into the fabric of our galaxy. Star clusters are like cosmic families, collections of stars born from the same cloud of gas and dust. Open clusters with loosely gathered siblings drift apart over time, while tightly packed globular clusters remain together for millions or even billions of years. These clusters, scattered across the Milky Way, decorate the galaxy with shimmering jewels of light and memory. The largest and brightest stars are true giants, hundreds of times wider than the Sun. These titans burn through their fuel swiftly, living fast and brilliant lives before ending in spectacular explosions. Their light can be seen from far across the galaxy, outshining thousands of ordinary stars and marking places of cosmic drama within the Milky Way's quiet sweep. At the other end of the scale are brown dwarfs, stars that never quite ignited. Too small and cool for true starlight, they glow faintly in infrared. Though invisible to our eyes, brown dwarfs are plentiful in the Milky Way, quietly lingering in the dark spaces between brighter neighbors, whispering of what almost could have been. Some stars are so old that they date back to the galaxy's early days. These ancient wanderers, called population 2 stars, are poor in heavy elements. Their light carries the memory of a younger universe before countless stellar generations enriched the Milky Way's clouds of gas and dust. They are living fossils telling stories of how galaxies like ours first took shape. Nearby, youthful clusters known as OB associations glow with bright, recently formed stars. These short-lived giants illuminate the gas around them, creating colorful nebulae that ripple through the spiral arms. Over 1 million years or so, these associations will disperse, their members spreading out to become part of the galactic sea, leaving behind luminous trails. Some stars blaze fiercely in ultraviolet, shaping the clouds of gas that surround them. Others emit gentle red light, nourishing hidden worlds in cool, distant regions. Each wavelength tells a different story. Astronomers use this cosmic spectrum to explore how stars shape their own neighborhoods within the Milky Way, altering space and time with every burst of energy. How far is the farthest star in the Milky Way? Incredibly, some lie over 100,000 light-years from our Sun, orbiting in the halo at the galaxy's edge. Their faint glow drifts through space for eons before reaching us. Each distant star is a reminder of the true immensity of our cosmic home, placed delicately amid vast silence and darkness. Astronomers use ingenious methods to count and study stars. From measuring subtle changes in light to creating 3D maps of the sky, each star is plotted and catalogued like an entry in a grand cosmic census. Although we may never name them all, every measurement brings us closer to understanding the grand scope of the Milky Way's population. While the Milky Way's stars number in the hundreds of billions, each is surrounded by mystery. Some shelter planets, perhaps with seas, mountains, or unknown forms of life. Others shine alone, their only companions, the icy comets and drifting dust. Every star is a unique story, waiting in the dark to be discovered by those who gaze upward and wonder. As you listen, imagine gently floating through this star-filled ocean. See the sparkling diversity around you, glowing giants, quiet dwarfs, old and young suns drifting on invisible currents of gravity. Your cosmic neighbors spin slowly by, each shining with their own quiet song, lost in the gentle hush of the galactic night. In this vastness, you are both small and at home. Through the Milky Way's core, stars cluster thick and bright, packed more tightly than anywhere else in the galaxy. From such a vantage point, night would blaze with thousands of close suns. Further out, stars grow sparser, offering quieter skies where the darkness stretches between islands of light. The pattern and rhythm of these neighborhoods shape the very structure of our galaxy. In the silence between stars, clouds of gas and dust wander, waiting for gravity to gather them and spark new suns. Every star was once part of such a cloud. This never-ending process renews the galaxy, filling it with hope and possibility. As some stars fade away, others are born, continuing the endless cycle of cosmic light in the Milky Way. The more we learn, the clearer it becomes that the Milky Way's true wonder lies not just in its size, but in the sparkling individuality of its stars. Billions of companions, each on its own quiet journey, offer endless stories for those who seek to listen. As you drift into rest, carry this sense of wonder with you, floating peacefully among your galactic neighbors. Tonight, as you settle further into sleep, let your imagination drift among the Milky Way's countless stars. Know that our sun is only one spark in this vast ancient family, a single point of warmth in a sea of cosmic light. The stories of all these stars gently unfold, whispering comfort and curiosity as you dream among your luminous neighbors. Chapter 3: Spirals and Structure. The galaxy's shape. Imagine yourself gently floating above the Milky Way's glowing plain. From this peaceful vantage, the galaxy's grandeur is revealed, a luminous swirl of starlight shaping our cosmic home. The Milky Way stretches out in twisting spirals, each arm carrying the soft shimmer of countless suns. Tonight we trace these elegant patterns, discovering the harmony and complexity in their graceful curves. Look down across the vast spiral arms. Each one is like a celestial river, streaming with stars, clouds of gas, and mysterious dark matter. Our galaxy's arms are not perfectly symmetrical. Instead, they wind with subtle irregularities, weaving order and chaos together. This natural artistry is what defines the Milky Way's signature appearance. As we move above the disk, the spiraling lanes of dust and light ripple endlessly toward the horizon. The most prominent spiral arms have names inspired by our brightest constellations. The Perseus arm sweeps in a wide arc, glowing with blue-white stars and brilliant nebulae. Closer in, the Sagittarius arm curves past us, rich with swirling clouds where new suns are born. These arms are more than starlit bridges. They are highways of cosmic evolution, shaping the chemistry and destiny of everything within them. Nestled between the major arms are spurs and branches smaller, less defined paths that split off in new directions. These arms intertwine and sometimes fade into the background, a subtle reminder that the universe is not always tidy. The Orion Spur is one such place, a quiet lane where our own sun drifts. We live not in one of the grand arms, but in a side street near the edge of starlit grandeur. Let your mind wander along the Orion Spur. Clouds of dust and clusters of young stars twinkle softly in the darkness. Here, planetary systems are born, and comets carve silent arcs through unseen space. If you follow this local spur, you'll find yourself bobbing gently between the larger arms, Perseus on one side, Sagittarius on the other edge. One a swirling tapestry of cosmic matter and possibility. As we glide higher above the galactic plane, a new feature becomes visible, the bar-shaped core at the Milky Way's center. This region glows with concentrated starlight, a golden backbone around which the spiral arms unwind. The galactic bar is not just a linnets, a busy hub packed with old stars, swirling clouds, and orbits that loop in graceful ellipses. Its presence shapes the galaxy's unique profile. Peer into this bar-shaped heart. It shines with the combined light of billions of ancient suns. Dust and gas drift here, slowly feeding the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center. The bar itself rotates, subtly herding stars while setting the rhythm for the spiral arms beyond. Everything in the galaxy is influenced by this radiant core, its energy quietly guiding the dance of countless celestial bodies. Above the galactic center, patterns of light and shadow reveal the delicate balance in the Milky Way's structure. Spiral arms uncurl like ribbons, sometimes densely packed with new stars, other times nearly transparent. This mix of order and unpredictability creates a living tapestry constantly shifting as gravity pulls and pushes each ingredient in gentle cosmic cycles. The entire galaxy is in slow, beautiful motion. There is no sharp edge where the arms end. Instead, starlight gradually thins out, blending into the faint halo that surrounds the Milky Way. Beyond the spiral arms, ancient stars orbit in enormous loops, marking the galaxy's mysterious outskirts. Here, the boundary between structure and emptiness blurs, creating a sense of endless possibility as our spiral home breathes quietly within the universe. The Milky Way's shape wasn't always so defined. Over billions of years, gravitational forces sculpted its spirals, pulling together rivers of gas and clouds of stars into graceful arms. Sometimes galaxies collide or merge, reshaping the patterns we now see. Yet the basic spiral structure remains a lasting testament to the persistent forces shaping our corner of the cosmos. Within the spiral arms, new stars are born amid thickly wound clouds of gas and dust. These cradles glow in pink and purple, illuminated by the hot energy of newborn suns. Star clusters pepper the arms, while glowing nebulae act as beacons across the night. It's a place of perpetual renewal, a stellar nursery, where the future of the galaxy quietly takes shape among gentle, curling lanes. Sometimes, spiral arms appear brighter and denser, while others look broken or fragmented. This contrast arises from waves of density moving through the disk, gathering stars and gas as they pass. Like ripples on a pond, these waves give the arms their form without rigid boundaries. The galaxy's pattern owes its beauty to this balance, where invisible currents sweep old and new stars together in silent harmony. If you could watch the Milky Way from above for millions of years, you'd see the spiral arms slowly winding around the core. Each star traces its own path, influenced by the gravity of billions of neighbors. Patterns form and dissolve over time, with clusters, clouds, and glowing arcs all weaving their stories into the grand shape. It's a reminder that even cosmic structure is patient and ever-changing. Our solar system, too, follows the Milky Way's structure. The sun drifts quietly through the Orion Spur, circling the galaxy's heart at a stately pace. Every 200 million years, it completes a grand circutone, galactic year. As we journey, we cross through spiral arms, clouds of interstellar dust, and quiet sanctuaries, each region marking another chapter in the long history of our star's travels. Astronomers decode the Milky Way's shape by mapping starlight and tracing waves of interstellar gas. Radio telescopes can see through dusty veils, unveiling the spiral arms in breathtaking detail. This work is a puzzle as we look outward from inside the disk, piecing together clues from shifting patterns and faint glows. Every new observation sharpens our portrait of the galaxy's swirling design. Between the spiral arms, space may appear calm, but it is filled with invisible streams of material. Wisps of dark matter lend structure and gravity, keeping the arms intact as they ripple through the galaxy. These unseen forces stitch everything together, ensuring that the Milky Way's shape remains both resilient and elegant as it drifts through the vastness of the cosmos. Sometimes, the arms host spectacular event supernovas burst with light, sending shockwaves through nearby clouds. These explosions help sculpt the spiral lanes, spreading heavy elements across space. Each event changes the pattern, making the Milky Way a living mosaic. Even chaos finds harmony here, as new cycles of birth and renewal ripple through the galaxy's intricate arms again and again. Farther from the center, the spiral arms gradually loosen, opening into wide arcs and fainter streams. Here, ancient stars wander, and the galactic disk starts to blur into the surrounding halo. This distant region feels both tranquil and mysterious, a quiet borderland where the familiar spiral dissolves into gentle cosmic night. All around, the slow spin of the galaxy continues as quietly as a dream. Let us drift quietly above the bar-shaped core once more. Imagine feeling the gentle rotation of billions of stars, each one tracing its own orbit around the galactic center. As the bar turns, it helps sculpt the spiral patterns we see, like a master artist shaping the lines of a great painting. Everything flows outward from this brilliant core, setting the rhythm for all that follows. Scientists believe that bars are common in spiral galaxias, a fleeting phase in their long lives. Over time, the bar may fade or shift, leaving behind traces in the way the spiral arms unfold. The Milky Way's bar is unique to us, anchoring the galaxy's energy and motion. It's a reminder that galaxies, like living things, evolve and change over the span of billions of years. From our vantage high above the plane, the spiral arms reveal one last secret. Scattered within their curves are bubbles, giant voids blown by the winds of hot young stars. These bubbles create holes and knots in the arms, lending even more complexity to the galaxy's shape. It is a self-sculpting masterpiece, with each burst of creation and destruction leaving its gentle mark. Gazing down once more, notice how the spiral arms connect to the subtle halo that wraps around the Milky Way. This halo holds old stars, clusters, and perhaps even unknown forms of matter. It is both a boundary and a bridge to the wider universe, gentle, glowing frame that holds together the core, the arms, and the quiet outskirts of our cosmic home. As our peaceful journey through the Milky Way's spirals draws to a close, reflect on the beauty of order blended with chaos. Every bend, every twist in the galaxy's design tells a story of birth and change. Our home is not just a place, but a process-a-living spiral that shapes suns, dreams, and the quiet sleep of those who wander its starlit arms tonight. Float gently as starlight fades. The memory of spiral arms, glowing lanes, and a bar-shaped core lingers, filling your thoughts with cosmic wonder. As sleep approaches, rest in the knowledge that you are part of this swirling masterpiece woven into its elegant dance by gravity, time, and the quiet dreams of the universe itself. Good night, and drift peacefully among the galaxy's gentle spirals. Chapter 4. Nebulae. Clouds of Cosmic Dreams. In the quiet reaches of the Milky Way, nebulae drift like watercolor clouds across the darkness. These are the birthplaces of stars and the resting spots of suns long faded. Tonight we journey through their cosmic beauty, letting calming tales and gentle facts soothe your thoughts as we float among the colorful patterns of silent creation. Close your eyes and imagine the glowing clouds that swirl through our galaxy. Nebulae are made of dust and gas, gathered in wisps and ribbons light years wide. With every slow breath, picture yourself drifting deeper into their colors and shapes, feeling the cosmic calm of these ancient nurseries where new stars are quietly born among glittering dust. The Orion Nebula is one of the brightest and most beloved sights in our night sky. Just below Orion's belt, it shines softly, a cocoon of swirling purple, blue, and pink. It is a true star nursery, with hundreds of infant suns glowing gently inside its sheltering clouds. In its heart, the process of cosmic creation unfolds with both peace and wonder. As you drift along the Orion Nebula, imagine the calm motions within. Dust and gas swirl slowly, gently pressed by gravity's patient hand. Every grain of stardust holds a story thousands of years old. In this celestial nursery, time passes quietly, and the silence of creation invites you to relax, letting your mind settle with the stars. Beyond Orion lies the Eagle Nebula, where pillars of gas reach skyward like ancient stone. These are the pillars of creation, tall columns made famous by Hubble's gaze. Within their cool shadows, new stars ignite in secret, sparkling softly. The Eagle Nebula whispers of beginning show out of darkness and dust. Light always finds a way to shine through. Let your mind wander through the pillars of creation, where new solar systems are quietly forming. Imagine standing at the base of one such pillar, looking upward into gentle, swirling mists filled with the ingredients of stars and planets. Each puff of cosmic cloud holds potential, suspended in time and silence, as if the universe is dreaming its next masterpiece. Nebulae glow not with fire, but with light borrowed from stars. Young suns illuminate their parent clouds, painting them in colors our eyes can barely imagine. Some nebulae shine with peaceful blues and greens, others with glowing reds and golds. These colors drift softly across space, wrapping the galaxy in a blanket of serene beauty and calm. The Lagoon Nebula shimmers deep within the summer sky, a wide, soft cradle for tiny stars. Its gas and dust stretch for over 100 light-years, gently swirling in cosmic breezes. Listen for the quiet heartbeat of this nebula as it holds the sparks of future stars glowing softly far away, yet close enough for dreams to visit each night. Another tranquil wonder is the Trifid Nebula, named for the dark lanes that divide its bright face into thirds. Here, colors meet and mingle in pastel harmony pink, blue and violet brushed together by starlight. In its center, baby star clusters pulse with early light, shining gently from the darkness, inviting you to drift even deeper into the calm of space. Not all nebulae are Nersariusum or cosmic ghosts. The Crab Nebula, a silent canvas of glowing filaments, was born from a star's final breath. When an ancient supernova erupted, it cast out clouds of light and dust, now expanding quietly through space. The Crab Nebula is a testament to transformation, gentle in its beauty and peaceful as it drifts across the galaxy. Imagine the cool silence of the Veil Nebula, delicate remains of a long-ago explosion. Its ribbons of glowing gas sing softly in the night, blue and red threads woven through the cosmic tapestry. Stretching over 100 light-years, the Veil Nebula reminds us that even after endings, beauty lingers and inspires, calm and unhurried, drifting in the swell of the galaxy. In the southern skies, the Carina Nebula blossoms a vast, bright cloud dancing with starlight and shadow. Home to some of the galaxy's most massive stars, its clouds fold like curtains on a cosmic stage. Notice how quietly the nebula pulses, its gentle shapes and swirling colors creating an endless sense of wonder and calm for the dreamer adrift. Many nebulae create their own gentle breezes of stardust. As newborn stars heat their clouds, winds stir the gases softly, like the tides of an unseen ocean. Listen to these cosmic winds, slow, quiet, and patient, carrying the seeds of new suns far across the galaxy, swirling softly through an infinite night, guiding stardust on its silent journey. Some nebulae hold the outlines of forgotten stories. In the Horsehead Nebula, a gentle silhouette stands out against the bright haze, shaped like a horse quietly grazing. This tranquil shadow, set against brilliant pink gas, is over 500 light-years from Earth. Let your mind fill with peaceful curiosity at how the universe molds even dust into dreamy shapes by chance and time. As you drift, imagine ancient astronomers peering at these nebulae through simple telescopes. With every careful gaze, they unraveled mysteries and dreams, watching the sky's subtle changes. They knew nebulae as fuzzy stars, places where the universe kept its secrets. Their calm curiosity echoes in our hearts still, inviting us to wonder at the slow-moving art in the heavens. Nebulae not only shape stars, but also the planets that drift around them. Within their clouds, grains of dust come together over millions of years, growing into pebbles, then rocks, and eventually worlds. Each breath of nebular air holds the possibility of new beginnings, gently fusing the ingredients for solar systems and the quiet hope for life to one day awaken. Some nebulae are bright with reflection, shining with light borrowed from neighboring stars. Others glow from inside, lit by the newborn suns they cradle. Occasionally, a dark nebula blocks all light, appearing as a peaceful, voided, inky river winding through the galaxy. Each nebula, whether shining or still, brings its own quiet to the starry night. Deep in space, nebulae drift for millions of years. Their forms change slowly as stars are born, and ancient suns fade away. In their patience, nebulae symbolize the calm pace of cosmic time. Reminder that beauty and growth often come gently, unfolding in soft colors and silent shapes, welcoming us to rest within the universe's endless embrace. Throughout the Milky Way, so many nebulae remain unseen by human eyes, cloaked in distant corners, their light dimmed by dust. But with the wonder of telescopes, we visit these faraway clouds in our minds, letting curiosity paint their forms as we drift between sleep and wakefulness. The galaxy holds countless dreams, waiting quietly in its cosmic clouds. As you listen, picture yourself cradled inside a nebula, surrounded by swirling, colorful mist. Every gentle curve and glowing light reminds you of the peaceful cycles of creation, rest, and renewal. Here, the endless calm of space comforts your mind, encouraging you to let go of worries and become one with the silent drift of nebulae among the stars. Nebulae teach us that endings can be beginnings. The gas ejected from dying stars becomes the seeds for new suns and planets. With every cycle, the galaxy renews itself, building and rebuilding with patience and quiet grace. These clouds invite us to trust in renewal, to rest in the beauty of change, and to let hope glow gently in the dark. When you next look at the stars, remember the nebulae hidden beyond your sight. Their silent clouds drifting far above are still weaving the future of the Milky Way. Carry this gentle vision with you as you ease into sleep, feeling the universe's calm support all around you. A blanket of cosmic dreams softly gathered from the tranquil clouds of the galaxy. Let the last wisps of imagination settle in your mind, softly colored by nebulae and the endless possibilities they hold. As you rest, you are surrounded by the slow, gentle stories of creation, transformation, and quiet wonder. Drift with these stories, knowing the Milky Way's nebulae continue their silent work as keepers of light, shaping new worlds in the calm midnight sky. With these calming tales of nebulae in your thoughts, allow your mind to settle deeper into rest. Trust in the timing of the universe, in the slow, dreamy dance of cosmic clouds. Good night, gentle sky wanderer. As you drift through sleep, remember the peace and wonder wrapped within the Milky Way's glowing clouds, and let your dreams float softly among the stars. Chapter 5. The Central Black Hole. Calm at the core. At the very heart of the Milky Way lies a presence both profound and silent, Sagittarius, AKO. This supermassive black hole is a cosmic anchor around which our entire galaxy gently spins. Despite its name, this dark center is far from the hungry monster often imagined. Instead, its influence speaks in stillness, offering a sense of cosmic stability amid swirling galactic activity. Enormous, yet mostly invisible, Sagittarius H sits quietly, surrounded by stars and dust that orbit from a safe distance. Its immense gravity gives shape to the galaxy, much like the gentle pull of the moon shapes the tides on Earth. No light escapes its grasp, making it one of the universe's most mysterious realms. Yet, for all its might, it remains peaceful and undisturbed at the Milky Way's heart. Nearby stars race around Sagittarius, ache, their motions akin to dancers circling an unseen partner. Astronomers have watched these stars arc and curve, their paths revealing the presence of the hidden giant. By studying their graceful orbits, scientists have measured the black hole's mass almost 4 million times greater than our Sun. It doesn't roar or rage. Instead, It exerts a silent, steady influence, maintaining balance. Some imagine black holes as cosmic vacuum cleaners, greedily devouring anything nearby. But Sagittarius AK is anything but menacing. The space around it is vast, and most of the time it simply waits, rarely pulling in matter. Our solar system is safely distant, far from its reach. For most stars in the Milky Way, this central black hole is a distant guardian, not a source of threat or fear, but of cosmic order. The calmness of our galaxy's core is remarkable. Instead of chaos, there is a tranquil rhythm as stars drift and spiral in gentle arcs. The black hole's gravity acts like an anchor, ensuring the Milky Way's structure endures over immense stretches of time. In the night sky, we see only hints of this hidden heart, yet it is always there serene, powerful, and quietly enduring, guiding the swirl of stars throughout the galaxy. Learning about Sagittarius Ace offers a lesson in how the universe balances wildness with stability. This black hole is not a destroyer, but a calm companion to billions of stars. It represents a kind of cosmic mindfulness existing at the center, holding everything together with a steady presence. The more astronomers study it, the more they learn that not all dark places are dangerous. Some simply offer a restful stillness, unseen but essential. For ages, people wondered what lay at the center of our cosmic home. Only with modern telescopes have we uncovered the secrets of Sagittarius, HED. Despite being shrouded in shadow, it reveals itself in the motion of stars and the gentle curves of light. The story of this black hole is a reminder that some of the most important influences are invisible. Its presence keeps our galaxy calm, ordered, and beautifully unified. Imagine the Milky Way as a vast carousel, with Sagittarius Ace as the central hub. Around it, arms of gas, dust, and glimmering stars spiral gracefully. This core is not a beacon of light, but rather a soothing centerpiece, a place where gravity gathers everything softly in place. While other galaxies may harbor more volatile black holes, our own rests quietly, content and composed at the heart of the cosmic dance. Astronomers peering into radio waves have found the subtle signature of Sagittarius AK, confirming its existence beyond doubt. No light can escape, but the reactions of swirling gas and dust create gentle flares that hint at its hidden power. Every few decades, a flicker emerges brief and silent, reminding scientists that even at rest, this black hole subtly interacts with its surroundings, engaging in a quiet dialogue with the galaxy. Within the gentle pull of Sagittarius Ace, sun-like stars can complete an orbit in just a few decades. Studying these orbits reveals an environment both intense and tranquil. It is a reminder that, in the universe, power does not always manifest as violence. At the core of the Milky Way, enormous energy is held in quiet balance-seat story, told not through destruction, but by the calm order it provides amid endless cosmic change. Sagittarius Ace offers a comforting paradox. It is both absence and presence, silent yet immensely important. Throughout centuries of night, it has guided the structure of our galaxy with unwavering patience. The stars near it rush at tremendous speeds, yet from our perspective, the black hole's influence is gentle and distant. In the grand tapestry of space, it's a reminder that even the shadowy corners can hold a sense of peace and harmony. The journey to understand Sagittarius Ace brings together many fields of science. Physicists ponder the mysteries of gravity, while astronomers map stars swirling at incredible velocities. Each discovery is woven together into a tapestry of calm curiosity. At its heart, the black hole teaches us that mysteries do not need to be menacing. They can inspire wonder and reflection, nourishing minds as we dream beneath the galactic sky. Through careful observation, scientists have watched flares of energy flicker briefly from near Sagittarius AH1. These events are infrequent and soft, a gentle reminder of activity in an otherwise tranquil zone. Such flares help researchers understand the environment close to the black hole, revealing how matter behaves at the edge of understanding. Even these moments of movement reinforce the core message: calm and quiet dominates the Milky Way's heart. Despite all its mystery, Sagittarius A is not unique to our galaxy. Astronomers believe that nearly every large galaxy houses a supermassive black hole at its center. Yet each one is different, and ours is particularly peaceful. Instead of dominating our sky, it chooses subtlety, soft gravitation that binds the Milky Way, but does not stir up chaos. This calm core allows billions of stars to orbit in harmony year after year. Sometimes, stories about black holes are sprinkled with fear. However, when astronomers observe Sagittarius AX, they find serenity. Its gravity shapes but rarely disrupts. Its influence is vast yet gentle. The nearest stars dance safely, and our soon-along with the solar neighborhood sails around the galaxy's edge, thousands of light years away. Far from an ominous threat, the black hole is a quietly reliable part of our cosmic journey. As you drift deeper into sleep, picture Sagittarius A as a slowly beating heart at the center of a spiral nebula. Its steady rhythm offers comfort. Its silence feels timeless. For eons, it has quietly shaped the galaxy you call home. Trust that its influence is ancient and stable, a cosmic constant that will continue to guide the Milky Way gently through the universe, generation after generation, while you rest under its distant, watchful gravity. Every so often, Sagittarius A gives off a gentle sigh of faint ripple in the radio waves that astronomers detect with sensitive instruments. These subtle signals reveal glimpses of the hidden world just beyond ordinary sight. Each new discovery about this central black hole brings more reassurance. There is strength in stillness, and even the most enigmatic parts of our galaxy can inspire peace and restful reflection as you drift to sleep. Children of every culture have looked up at the Milky Way and wondered what secrets it holds. Today, we know that at its center waits Sagittarius A, neither monster nor menace, but a keeper of order. Let this knowledge quiet your mind. Imagine the black hole's silent influence threading through the galaxy, offering you a sense of connection to something eternal, gentle, and profoundly reassuring, woven into the very cosmic fabric of your dreams. The core of the Milky Way may seem unreachable, but its story reaches us across light years, carried in the gentle orbit of stars and the calm persistence of natural laws. Sagittarius waits in the darkness, anchoring the galaxy so that it may bloom with suns and nebulae. In learning about it, we remember that presence can be felt without being seen, a powerful lesson from the peaceful core of our galactic home. Sometimes, the most important elements in a system work best when they remain unnoticed. Sagittarius A is such an element. Its quiet gravity not only shapes our galaxy, but helps maintain a sense of order that has lasted for billions of years. As you listen, let your imagination drift to the heart of the Milky Way, and let the calm assurance of this central black hole guide you gently into relaxation and peaceful rest tonight. Many scientific instruments have been pointed at the galactic center, each one hoping to unravel the secrets of Sagittarius A. Every new observation brings a sense of tranquil satisfaction, for the more we learn, the more we find harmony rather than chaos. Even in the places we cannot see, the universe finds a way to create balance. Our galaxy's core is a reminder that quiet stability can hold entire worlds together across time. Sagittarius A is a puzzle solver's dream, inviting us to ponder deep questions about the nature of gravity, time, and existence. Yet in the end, its lesson is a simple one. Even at the center of vast complexity, calmness prevails. As you nestle into rest, imagine the heart of the Milky Way pulsing with quiet strength, a source of gentle order that keeps you safe, wrapped within the arms of your cosmic neighborhood. By the time starlight from the Milky Way's center reaches Earth, it has traveled for thousands of years. Each photon carries with it a whisper of Sagittarius Acis Serenita, reminder of the patience and poise that guide the galaxy. As you listen, let your mind wander to the silent core, letting the quiet gravity of the black hole bring you comfort and calm, like a soft lullaby from the universe itself, helping you drift away. So, as you drift further into sleep, remember, the Milky Way's heart beats in quiet harmony, shaped by the steady hand of Sagittarius AAKR. Its presence reassures and soothes, reminding you that even in the widest expanse, calm can always be found. Let thoughts of this peaceful center guide you into dreams, wrapped safely in the gentle arms of the galaxy, where order and serenity rule the night, and curiosity helps you find rest. Chapter 6. Our Milky Way is not alone. Swirling around it are smaller galaxies, the most prominent being the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds. Seen from the southern hemisphere, they appear as faint smudges in the night sky. These companions have traveled with the Milky Way for billions of years, orbiting on graceful paths. Each carries its own story, contributing to the symphony of motion and mystery within our galactic neighborhood. The Large Magellanic Cloud, or LMC, is the largest and brightest of these satellites. At about 160,000 light-years away, its close-on galactic scales, yet unimaginably distant for us. This galaxy holds billions of stars, some nestled in glowing clouds of gas. Its presence weaves tides of gravity, stirring both itself and our Milky Way, shaping the future of countless stars in this cosmic ballet. The Small Magellanic Cloud is nearby a fainter, more subtle companion. Though smaller than the LMC, it still shines with millions of stars, each with its own journey unfolding slowly across millennia. Sometimes gas and stars pass between the two Magellanic Clouds, forming ethereal bridges. These connections remind us that even across vast distances, galaxies affect each other, exchanging not just gravity, but material and energy too. As the Magellanic Clouds circle our galaxy, they tug and pull, their gravities linked in an ancient dance. This cosmic interaction stirs up streams of gas, creating ripples through the Milky Way's spiral arms. Like dancers moving unseen currents in the air, their presence gently shapes the fate of our stars. Listening to these subtle stories is like eavesdropping on a conversation billions of years old. Have you heard of the Magellanic Stream? It's an enormous ribbon of hydrogen gas stretching across the sky, linking our galaxy to the Magellanic Clouds. This stream is a sign of their deep connection, a trail left behind as gas is pulled away by gravity, creating a bridge that glows faintly in radio waves. The Magellanic Stream tells of past encounters, star births, and the slow reshaping of cosmic landscapes. Look a little farther, and dozens more satellite galaxies begin to appear. Some are faint like the Sculptor and Fornax, dwarfs barely glowing against the cosmic darkness. These ultra-dim galaxies can be hard to spot, blending in with the starry sea. Yet each contains ancient stars, fossils from the early universe, moving quietly as members of the Milky Way's extended family, bound by gravity across immense spans of time. The Milky Way's smallest companions are known as dwarf spheroidal galaxies. These fragile systems are much smaller and dimmer than the Magellanic Clouds, with only a few million stars at most. They lurk in the shadows, orbiting our galaxy patiently. Over eons, some are pulled apart, their contents slowly mixing with the Milky Way, like a silent merging of destinies playing out at the edge of our cosmic home. What stories do these satellite galaxies carry? Many are among the oldest structures around the Milky Way, packed with venerable stars that have witnessed cosmic history unfold. Imagine a globular cluster or a swirling star cloud drifting alone for billions of years, then finding a new dance partner in the Great Spiral. Their journeys weave the threads of our galactic tapestry, helping us understand how galaxies grow and evolve. Even the smallest galaxies have surprising influence. When a dwarf galaxy swings close, its gravity can disturb the Milky Way's stars and stir up new waves in the galactic disk. This can spark bursts of star formation, trigger cosmic fireworks, and leave behind trails of starlight. Through these encounters, our galaxy is constantly changing, growing richer through interactions with its gentle, ghostly companions. Astronomers study these satellites to unlock secrets of the Milky Way itself. The number and shape of the dwarf galaxies hint at dark matter, mysterious substance that can't be seen but holds galaxies together. By mapping these companions and tracing their orbits, scientists peek behind the cosmic curtain, learning more about the invisible forces guiding the dance of our galaxy and its satellites night after night. The Magellanic Clouds themselves offer clues about how galaxies form and merge. Occasionally, a satellite will stray too close, its stars and gas pulled apart, mixing into the spiral arms of the Milky Way. Over time, these mergers contribute new material, changing the colors and patterns of our galaxy. Each encounter is like a gentle ripple in a pond, moving outward and shifting the future of the stars within. These galactic companions aren't evenly scattered. Most are found gathered on one side of the Milky Way, a cosmic mystery that researchers are still trying to solve. Some believe it's a sign of a past collision or an ancient galactic highway guiding new arrivals toward their stellar host. Each positional oddity gives scientists another piece of the puzzle, revealing the dynamic, ever-changing life of our galactic community. Our own sun belongs to this great cosmic neighborhood. As Earth spins gently below, the Magellanic Clouds drift across southern Schiza, reminder that we share our galaxy with distant, unseen worlds. Even during our deepest sleep, the dance of satellites continues, shaping the galaxy we call home. Imagine, somewhere out there, twin stars may shine in a tiny satellite, with their light still on its way to us. Watching the galactic companions is a slow art. Their orbits span hundreds of millions of years. Each night, their positions shift ever so slightly, changes too subtle to notice in a lifetime. However, over cosmic ages, their paths intertwine with the Milky Way, sometimes leaving behind faint streams of stars, marking their passage like a signature against the dark background of the universe's night. The story of satellite galaxies is not just about stars, but about the invisible bonds that connect all things. Gravity, silent and persistent, acts as the cosmic rhythm in this dance. From the smallest dwarf to the grandest cloud, every companion moves in step, feeling the tug of the Milky Way. These quiet encounters, unseen by most, quietly shape the very fate of our Galaxian unending waltz within the void. While the Magellanic Clouds are the best known, astronomers keep discovering new satellite galaxies, even today. Some are mere wisps of stars, faint flickers barely above the background noise of the universe. Each discovery tells us more about the origins of the Milky Way, unfolding hidden dramas that played out long before the sun was born, stories of gathering, merging, and lasting companionship in the cosmos. Some satellites are slowly being drawn ever closer to the Milky Way. As they spiral in, tides of gravity stretch and distort them. Sometimes new stars form in these turbulent regions, lit by the energy of cosmic interactions. Over millions of years, galaxies that were once separate become part of the Milky Way itself. Through accretion and merging, the family of stars grows, welcoming new cosmic siblings into the spiral arms. To the naked eye, most satellite galaxies are hidden. Their dim light is no match for the brilliant stars nearby. But with telescopes, astronomers can map these companions, sketching their faint outlines and tracing their orbits. Each new map adds depth to our understanding, showing just how dynamic and alive our galactic neighborhood truly is. Even the faintest satellite leaves a lasting mark on the heart of the Milky Way. Satellite galaxies help us explore cosmic history. Some are relics from the early universe, largely unchanged since their formation over 10 billion years ago. By studying their ancient stars, astronomers learn not only about our galaxy's past, but also about the conditions that fostered the birth of stars, elements, and even planets. Each satellite is a living time capsule, carrying the secrets of galaxies past through the quiet night. Cosmic mergers take time sometimes longer than entire civilizations last. As satellites fall in, their stars may stretch into long streams, weaving new patterns in the Milky Way's disk. Some become part of our galaxy's halo, a vast sphere of old stars and dark matter. Bit by bit, this process changes the shape and fate of the Milky Way, ensuring that our home is always in motion, always evolving under the influence of its companions. Sometimes, tides of gravity strip a satellite of its stars completely, leaving behind just a subtle trail. These ghostly remains paint beautiful, faint arcs across the sky. Astronomers call them stellar streams, and they act like footprints, showing where galaxies once danced before melting into the greater whole. Each stream is a record of cosmic friendship, a luminous echo of encounters that shaped the galaxy's past and future alike. Tonight, as sleep calls, imagine the Milky Way as a grand ballroom. Around it, companions sway, keeping quiet rhythms in the starlit dark. Their journeys are slow, their conversations silent, but their presence is felt in every new star born, every ripple in the galaxy's spiral arms. Let these stories of distant companions fill your dreams, as you too drift quietly through the gentle tides of space and time. As our chapter closes, remember, we are never truly isolated in the cosmos. Even on the farthest edge of the Milky Way, distant galaxies keep us company reminders that connection thrives in every dark corner of the universe. These companions, swirling through space, form the greater story of our galaxy, inviting us to listen, to imagine, and to dream our place among countless stars and silent, watchful satellites. Chapter 7: Star Clusters, Galactic Family Gatherings. Imagine yourself gently floating in space, surrounded by shimmering families of stars that gather close together. These star clusters are cosmic gatherings, where hundreds or even millions of stars share a common home. Their quiet light sparkles like jewels scattered across the vast blackness. Tonight, we will drift among these stellar groups, learning their secrets as we glide softly from one glittering cluster to another. We begin our journey with globular clusters, ancient, nearly spherical gatherings of stars tightly bound by gravity. Each cluster can contain hundreds of thousands, or even millions of old, glowing suns. They orbit the center of the Milky Way, forming a glowing halo that surrounds our galaxy, acting as time capsules to the early universe. Their beauty is matched by their mystery, as astronomers still study how they came to exist this way. As you drift quietly through these globular clusters, you notice the light is gentle and warm. The dense stars crowd together, separated by just a tiny sliver of space, closer than stars are anywhere else in the galaxy. The gravity within holds them close, setting the stage for a gentle, endless dance. In their shared glow, you can sense the age and wisdom carried by these ancient cosmic families. Now we glide toward an open cluster, a younger and much looser family of stars. Open clusters are born from the same clouds of cosmic gas and dust. They shine brilliantly, each star a sibling, still celebrating their fiery birth together. Unlike the tightly packed globular clusters, Open clusters are more spread out and set against deep velvet skies, inviting you to imagine the stories each young star might one day tell. The Pleiades, or Seven Sisters, is perhaps the most famous open cluster in the Milky Way. To the naked eye, a few blue stars glimmer closely, but in reality, dozens more gather within their cosmic embrace. Legends from every continent have wrapped themselves around these stars, whispering tales of family, adventure, and longing. When you gaze up on a clear night, these gentle stars are easy to find, shimmering softly above you. Open clusters like the Pleiades are fragile, destined to drift apart over millions of years. Their gravitational bonds are tender, unable to hold on forever. As time passes, the stars wander into the galaxy, becoming new neighbors to distant suns. Yet, while they last, their gatherings light up the night, filling the sky with hints of blue and silver, calling to curious dreamers exploring the vastness of the Milky Way. In the heart of a globular cluster, stars pack together tightly, sometimes just a fraction of a light-year apart. Under these crowded skies, new cosmic wonders can occur. Binary stars, pulsars, and even exotic collisions happen more often as stars interact closely. This bustling environment is very different from our sun's quiet neighborhood, making each globular cluster a bright, bustling city in the sky, teeming with life and secrets. The colors within star clusters range from cool sapphire blues to deep orange and gold. Young open clusters shimmer in blue and white, their light energetic and fresh. Older globular clusters glow in honey yellow or muted orange, their ancient stars burning steadily. As you drift among them, the colors shift gently around you, creating a tapestry of cosmic light that soothes the wandering mind and invites contemplation. Every star cluster tells a story of birth, growth, and eventual separation. Some clusters, long gone, have left behind faint tracisa, few stars that still travel together through the galaxy. By following their paths, astronomers can uncover the family trees of the Milky Way, learning how the galaxy evolved across billions of years. You listen quietly, absorbing the slow heartbeat of these ancient stories, letting your mind wander gently. Drifting through the halo of our galaxy, globular clusters mark the boundaries of the Milky Way's ancient domain. Their very existence is a cosmic puzzle, each shining with the light of stars born in the galaxy's infancy. Scientists believe that the oldest star clusters may even predate the Milky Way itself, holding within them the secrets of cosmic dawn. Floating here, you feel as though you're surrounded by wise elders of the cosmos. Moving from star cluster to star cluster, you notice some are easy to spot, while others remain faint and shy, barely perceptible to the naked eye. Light from these distant clusters travels for thousands of years before reaching us. When you see them twinkle, you are glimpsing deep into the pasta cosmic memory, glowing softly in the present night. The sheer timescales lull your thoughts, drawing you further into the galaxy's dreamscape. Some clusters shine with unearthly beauty in the southern skies. Omega Centauri is one such Marvella globular cluster so large and bright, it looks almost like a fuzzy star through binoculars. Inside, it contains millions of suns, all clustered close in a dazzling, ancient jewel box. Many skywatchers have lost themselves gazing at Omega Centauri, dreaming of the untold wonders hidden among its countless stars, glowing through the ages. Star clusters are not only beautiful, they are also cosmic laboratories. By studying these concentrated families, astronomers unlock the secrets of stellar evolution. They can watch how stars are born, live, and eventually die, all within one cluster. These starry gatherings help us understand our own sun's journey and fate, drawing connections between the distant universe and the gentle starlight that nurtures life here on Earth. Within the galaxy, clusters often live in spiral arms, those graceful sweeping regions where new stars are born and young clusters gather. The Milky Way's arms are filled with pockets of open clusters glowing softly. As we float along these spiral lanes, we pass through regions teeming with the hopeful light of freshly formed stars. Their presence marks the restless creativity pulsing through the heart of our galaxy, painting space with possibility. Occasionally, you might find a cluster with a dramatic Thalia cluster slowly being pulled apart by gravitational tides, or one harboring a hidden black hole at its core. Some stars in globular clusters show odd chemical fingerprints, hinting at strange histories or mergers in their pasts. In these cosmic gatherings, not every story is gentle. Some are filled with transformation, loss, or renewal, echoing life's mysteries and changes. When viewed through a telescope, a star cluster transforms into a glittering swarm, 1,000 pinpricks of light, each one unique, spinning together in an invisible dance. The gentle light, steady and calm, makes it easy to imagine drifting among them. The telescope's view invites a feeling of wonder and quiet awe, as if the universe is revealing a well-kept secret meant only for the dreamers who choose to look up. As the stars in clusters age, they begin to change color and brightness, evolving at different speeds. By measuring these changes, astronomers create a cosmic timepiece, a way to trace the passage of millions or even billions of years. These stellar clocks tick slowly, marking the unfolding story of the galaxy. As you listen, imagine the steady flow of time, carried on the silent glow of countless starseeds ticking softly in the darkness. Some stellar families are so faint they're only known through careful surveys using powerful telescopes. Astronomers discover new hidden clusters, unraveling the Milky Way's history star by star. Each discovery reveals more about how our galaxy grew and changed over cosmic time, painting a picture of endless stellar gatherings, each one contributing a verse to the ongoing poem of the night. You drift, feeling connected to each star's quiet tale. Star clusters aren't just found in the Milky Way, other galaxies have their own families. Sometimes clusters get captured during cosmic encounters, drawn into our galaxy by invisible tides. These adopted clusters add diversity and mystery to our galactic family, their unique stars hinting at origins beyond the Milky Way. As you float among them, each cluster feels like a visiting guest at a celestial gathering, carrying stories from far beyond. For countless generations, humans have gazed in wonder at these clusters, spinning myths and stories to explain their beauty. Some cultures saw heroes or animals gathered among the stars, while others imagined gods or ancestral spirits watching over them. Tonight, you add your own gentle dreams to this ancient tradition, letting the timeless beauty of the star clusters cradle your thoughts and transport you to a place of wonder and rest. Star clusters also remind us that everything in the universe is connected. The same atoms that form the stars once drifted as cosmic clouds, and the same processes that shaped these clusters also shaped our sun and earth. As you rest, let this idea comfort you that we are all children of stars, part of a vast gathering that stretches across the universe, sharing a heritage of light, curiosity, and quiet hope. In time, some clusters fade away, their stars scattering into the galaxy. Others remain resilient, orbiting silently for billions of years, keeping watch over the Milky Way's ancient heart. Both kinds are beautiful reminders that everything in the cosmos moves through cycles of gathering and parting, birth and transformation. Tonight, you can let go of worries and drift, knowing you are part of this never-ending dance of the stars. As our journey among the star clusters draws to a close, imagine one last, lingering look at these galactic gatherings. Each cluster glows softly, its light untouched by time or distance. The stars whisper their stories, inviting you to rest beneath their gentle glow. With every breath, you carry their calm with you, feeling a sense of belonging among these ancient gatherings, forever embraced by the peace and wonder of the Milky Way. Now, Allow the starlight from these clusters to wash gently over your thoughts, calming your mind and smoothing the way toward peaceful rest. You have wandered among cosmic families, learning their stories and basking in their beauty. Let your dreams carry you onward, surrounded by the warmth and comfort of the stars, adrift in the gentle embrace of the Milky Way, carried onward to new horizons of wonder and sleep. Chapter 8. Stellar Life Cycles, Births, and Farewells. Imagine drifting gently through the cosmic nursery of the Milky Way, where stars are born in cool, sprawling clouds called nebulae. Here, dust and gas swirl in graceful currents, slowly coming together under the gentle pull of gravity. In the quiet heart of these nebulae, tiny sparks of creation, Ignatius star begins its journey, glowing softly in the cradle of the cosmos. Within these stellar nurseries, gravity patiently weaves the elements into ever tighter knots, condensing clouds into brilliant clusters. Newborn stars, like candles in the darkness, shine with youthful energy. Their glow adds warmth and light to the tapestry of the galaxy. Each new star marks a beginning, a promise written in photons and dust, a soft reminder that the universe is always renewing, always unfolding its next chapter. As time marches on, a star enters the long and gentle phase of its adulthood. Hydrogen fuses within its heart, powering a radiant, steady glow that can last for billions of cosmic years. In the quiet dark between worlds, these mature stars gently illuminate the spiral arms of the Milky Way. Their constant companionship offers a sense of calm and security, night after night, to planets silently circling below. The rhythm of a star's life is patient, stretched out across eons. Like ancient trees, older stars continue their quiet work, fusing hydrogen to helium, gradually changing inside. Each day is a ripple in a much larger ocean of time, unhurried and thoughtful. Within the patient hearts of stars, heavier elements begin to form, and the universe's tapestry grows richer with every heartbeat, every pulse of energy released. Eventually, every star must bid farewell to its youthful radiance. For many, this means gently swelling into a red giant, enfolding nearby worlds in a warm, waning embrace. Their outer layers drift outward, casting glowing shells into the galactic night, a shimmering, ephemeral farewell. These clouds, called planetary nebulae, scatter a star's gifts back to the cosmos, where their atoms will someday help form new stars and planets. As the outer layers drift away, what remains is the luminous core of the star, a white dwarf, glowing softly in the darkness. White dwarfs are tiny no bigger than our planet, but their light is pure and enduring. Even as their energy fades over countless millennia, these cosmic embers shine with quiet grace, offering a gentle afterglow as a tribute to the star's long journey through the galaxy's spiral arms. Not all stars end their lives so peacefully. For those that began with great mass and energy, farewell arrives with a dramatic burst of supernova. In these awe-inspiring moments, a single star's death outshines entire galaxies. The explosion scatters elements forged in the stars, hard calcium, iron, and gold, pushing the building blocks of worlds far into interstellar space. It is both a grand finale and a powerful new beginning. The shock waves from a supernova ripple through the galaxy like a cosmic heartbeat. These echoes compress nearby clouds of dust and gas, setting the stage for new star birth. In this way, the life and death of a star are never isolated. They are woven into a seamless, ongoing cycle. From ashes, new light emerges. The galaxy is always a place of transformation, patience, and unending creativity. Some supernovae leave behind a dense, mysterious Korea neutron star. These remnants are extreme in their silence and strength, a teaspoon of their substance outweighing entire mountains on Earth. Occasionally, neutron stars spin rapidly, beaming out pulses of energy. From across the gulfs of space, we might detect them as radio blipstony clocks ticking in the Milky Way's vast and silent night. Very rarely, a collapsing star gives birth to a black hole, a place where gravity becomes so intense that not even light can escape. These enigmatic objects silently influence their surroundings, drawing in dust, gas, and even entire stars. In their darkness, black holes mark both an end and a cosmic mystery. Their presence quietly shapes the galaxy and sparks our curiosity about the boundaries of space and time. In every stage birth, life, death, and beyond a star's journey is woven intimately with everything around it. The elements in our bodies, the gold of rings and the iron in our blood, trace their legacy back to ancient stars that exploded long ago. We are, in a very real sense, children of the stars joined by invisible threads to the spiral arms sparkling overhead every night. The timescales of stellar life cycles are almost impossible to grasp. A single human lifetime is a fleeting blink compared to a star's slow evolution. Yet, as we rest quietly beneath the stars, we become part of this cosmic symphony, witnesses to a grand story that plays out over millions and billions of years. This perspective invites both awe and gentle acceptance of change. Observing these cycles can bring peace to the restless mind. Each star, no matter how bright or brief, has a purpose and a place in the galaxy's endless rhythm. Even in endings, whether a gentle fade to white dwarf or a sudden supernova, the universe recycles beauty and meaning. This meditation on stellar evolution mirrors the natural cycles in our own lives, reminding us that every farewell is linked to a new beginning somewhere else. When you gaze at the sky, you're looking not just into distance, but through time itself. Some starlight that touches your eyes tonight began its journey before humans walked the earth. These beams have traveled patiently, carrying stories of stellar births, fiery deaths, and cosmic renewal. Each star you see represents a chapter in this continuing saga. One is a silent storyteller, endlessly patient. Within our own Milky Way, the birthplaces of stars' nebulae like the Orion Nebula shine as colorful clouds against the dark sky. In these nurseries, starlight mingles with shadow, and time seems to move in slow, deliberate waves. Astronomers gently capture glimpses of the process, revealing how stars emerge, settle into their lives, and eventually pass their legacy onward, always adding to the galaxy's gentle flow. Older stars act as anchors within the spiral arms, guiding younger stars and planets as they orbit through the galaxy. Their steady glow helps maintain a sense of order amid the universe's vastness. Like wise elders, these ancient stars have witnessed countless cosmic events, and their endless patience helps foster an atmosphere of comfort and trust throughout the Milky Way's shimmering expanse. The creation of heavy elements within stars is a slow alchemy, unfolding quietly over immense spans of time. These elements, carbon, oxygen, iron, eventually escape during a star's final act, seeding new nebulae. The galaxy is a patient gardener, constantly replanting and reusing, turning loss into hope. As we breathe in and out each night, we too participate in this ongoing cosmic renewal. As white dwarfs cool over eons, they slowly fade into darkness, becoming what astronomers call black dwarf objects, so cold and dim they no longer emit visible light. These final forms are almost entirely theoretical, as the universe is not yet old enough for any black dwarfs to exist. Even in this peaceful slumber, the story of each star continues in silence, woven forever into the cosmic fabric. Looking deeper, we notice that planetary nebulae are among the most beautiful sights in space. Their swirling shapes and gentle colors tell the tale of a star's peaceful goodbye, painting the galaxy with artistry born from science. Each one lingers in the sky for thousands of years before gradually blending into the darkness, its materials ready to inspire the birth of new generations of stars. Pulsars spinning neutron star scans sweep beams of energy through the universe, serving as celestial lighthouses. Their rhythmic signals, regular and precise, echo the pulse of the galaxy itself. After the thunderous finale of a supernova, this quiet rhythm is a gentle reminder of persistence. Even in their transformed state, these remnants continue to play a subtle, reassuring part in the cosmic story. As supernova remnants drift through the Milky Way, their material enriches the interstellar medium, making it possible for new planets and even life to emerge in the ages ahead. Each farewell, though bright and sudden, becomes nourishment for the next cycle. This everlasting exchange is nature's quiet promise that nothing in the cosmos is truly lost or forgotten, but instead is always being remade. Cosmic life cycles encourage us to trust in change and transformation. Just as stars evolve from silent birth to brilliant maturity, and from dramatic endings to new beginnings, so too does every part of the universe. Our lives reflect these cosmic tide's gentle arrivals, luminous moments, and soft farewells. In the Milky Way's patient rhythm, we find comfort and inspiration, knowing we're stars in our own small way. Just as the star's atoms drift freely, becoming part of new worlds, so do our thoughts and dreams ripple through time. In the quiet of the night, as you listen and rest, imagine yourself as a part of this endless cyclea witness to the loving patience of the universe, and a participant in its gentle, eternal renewal. Each heartbeat connects you to countless generations of stars. Let this meditation on stellar life cycles lull you as softly as a star's fading light. In the Milky Way, every end is merely a new beginning. Every glowing farewell promises another dawn somewhere in the galaxy. Rest now, knowing you are surrounded by ancient stories and luminous hope. In your dreams, drift among the stars carried by the boundless cycles of birth, life, and transformation throughout the cosmos. Chapter 9. Cosmic Mysteries, Dark Matter and Gentle Gravity. As you settle into this chapter, allow yourself to gently contemplate the unseen. Picture the vastness of the galaxy filled with whispers of matter that cannot be seen with even the most powerful telescopes. Tonight, we invite you to drift with us into the mysteries that cast a soft veil over the stars' mysteries that quietly shape the universe we call home. Let your breath slow as we turn our attention to something truly mysterious: dark matter. It weaves through galaxies, filling the spaces between stars with a silent presence. Though it's invisible, scientists believe dark matter makes up most of the mass in our galaxy. Close your eyes and imagine a gentle current flowing beneath the surface of space, holding the stars together, a silent force guiding the grand design of the Milky Way. Gravity is the quiet companion to dark matter. It tugs and pulls with a patient, invisible hand, keeping planets in motion and stars clustered together. Imagine floating above the spiral arms, feeling the soothing pull that gravity offers, never hurried, always steady. On Earth, gravity gently cradles us to the ground. Out in the galaxy, it keeps the cosmic dance in beautiful formation, softly shaping our universe forever. Let's drift to the edge of the Milky Way, where dark matter forms an unseen halo, vast and mysterious. The stars spin around the core, their motions hinting at something hidden, holding the galaxy together. Scientists cannot see dark matter directly, but its presence is felt in every spiral, every orbit. Picture this invisible sculptor at work, patiently shaping the structure of our galactic home while we dream beneath it. Imagine for a moment that you could see the gravity wells carved out by planets, stars, and dark matter. These invisible bowls curve space gently, like a blanket dipped under a small weight. You are floating above the Milky Way, gazing downward as the unseen forces quietly bend space itself, cradling galaxies, sending ripples through the fabric of the cosmos, all while you rest softly among these cosmic mysteries. Dark matter does not emit light. It passes through us without a trace. Yet, without it, the Milky Way could not stay together. Imagine dark matter as gentle hands cupping each star, keeping them safe from drifting away. You may not see it, but it is always there, protecting, shaping, and quietly guiding the galaxy's elegant swirl. Let this thought wrap around you, filling you with a deep sense of comfort and awe. Every night sky you gaze upon is shaped by forces that remain invisible. Just like dark matter, some mysteries are meant to be felt, not seen. Picture yourself journeying alongside these forces, floating in gentle streams that cradle the stars, moving with the natural flow of the galaxy. Allow this quiet wonder to lull your mind, inviting dreams to grow in the fertile space between what is known and what is beautifully unknown. Scientists search for clues about dark matter with immense detectors deep beneath mountains and in space. Yet this cosmic puzzle remains unsolved. The universe loves to hold a secret or two, reminding us that the unknown is a gentle invitation to wonder. As you listen, let go of the need to know. Everything relax into curiosity, and let each unanswered question become a soothing whisper in the quiet of the night. Gravity's gentle force is always at work, drawing galaxies toward each other, shaping clusters, weaving the universe together with invisible threads. Imagine these threads, light as moonbeams, connecting every star and planet, each one gently tugging on the others. As you lie still, let yourself feel a sense of peaceful belonging, as if you too are part of this cosmic tapestry, quietly held within the galaxy's graceful embrace. Our galaxy's grand spiral arms would unravel without dark matter's quiet support. Scientists noticed stars at the edges of the Milky Way move too quickly to be held by only visible matter. Something unseen, like a calm, steady hand, keeps them bound. Allow your mind to wander with these distant stars, feeling the hidden support that lets the Milky Way remain whole, united, and endlessly spinning in the darkness. Some say dark matter could be made of particles that rarely touch the world we know, ghostly, silent, and gentle. Imagine tiny beings drifting through you and the ground beneath, never leaving a mark, always present. The softness of this idea, the delicacy of the unknown, let your imagination drift. As the cosmos holds on to its secrets, you can float freely, trusting there's magic in what we cannot yet see or measure. Gravity flows from the smallest pebble to the largest sun, never resting, always calling objects together. Feel how gravity gently tethers your body to Earth, and know it's the same force weaving entire galaxies across unimaginable distances. Even when you close your eyes, you're part of this cosmic Weeba quiet participant in the universe's graceful choreography, softly joining the rhythm of planets, stars, and the mysteries in between. Picture the galaxy as a glowing island surrounded by a dark, tranquil sea made of dark matter. This sea is mysterious, but it holds our home safely within it. Feel how the unknown becomes comforting, how you are cradled at the heart of the Milky Way, surrounded by gentle, unseen tides. Rest easy, knowing that sometimes things don't need to be known or named to be beautiful and full of quiet wonder. In the silence of deep space, gravity is the music that orchestrates the movements of suns, planets, and nebulae. Its notes are gentle, its rhythm endless. Imagine drifting through the galaxy as soft waves of gravity carry you across star fields. Let the music of these invisible forces invite you deeper into relaxation, letting go of the day and trusting the universe to hold you softly, as it does every star and world. Consider how dark matter and gravity work together, one unseen and the other quietly present, creating balance in the galaxy. Let this harmony inspire a sense of ease within you, a reminder that not everything needs to be understood to offer comfort. With each breath, picture yourself floating on the gentle currents of dark matter and gravity, peaceful and secure, drifting calmly through the vastness of the Milky Way. As the stars circle the core of the galaxy, dark matter keeps them from flying away. Gravity weaves them into magnificent trails, forming graceful loops through the night. Imagine following one of these shining paths, drifting softly in its wake, feeling the invisible arms of the universe holding you as you wander through this spiral of wonder. Let the quiet certainty of these cosmic forces guide you into deeper rest. Beyond the luminous stars lies the mysterious halo of dark matter, bigger than all the shining dust we can see. Imagine standing at the edge of this invisible ocean, feeling only a gentle calm as it passes through. Dark matter is patient. It waits for us to grow curious, to seek and dream. Tonight, embrace the unknown as a friendlet. It ease your thoughts and wrap your dreams in cosmic peace. Every question about dark matter is a star, shining softly in the dark with possibilities. Scientists marvel at its presence, creating theories, listening for the faintest hints. Remind yourself that wondering is a comfort, not a burden. As you let your mind wander across the galaxy, feel gratitude for the mysteries that give us a reason to look up, to dream, and to drift quietly among stars and secrets. Let gravity's tenderness hold you, like a blanket draped across the night. Its embrace is slow and unhurried, binding you gently to the earth even as your thoughts soar into the stars. Feel safe in this balance, where the known and unknown work together to make the universe a beautiful place to dream. Tonight, surrender to the pull of gravity, allowing its quiet strength to guide you deeper into comfort and peace. Imagine the galaxy as a garden of light, with every blossoma star-nurtured by gentle, invisible hands. Dark matter tends this garden, providing silent care, while gravity weaves vines that tie everything into one harmonious whole. As you drift, let the idea of this unseen garden relax your body and mind, reminding you that the universe is built on connections, both visible and hidden, delicate and strong. In the darkness between stars, dark matter whispers its secrets. It reminds us that the biggest mysteries are often the quietest. Imagine lying on soft grass beneath the open sky, feeling the ancient pull of the galaxy all around you. Let the whispers of the unseen carry you, soothing your mind and inviting dreams to flourish. In this moment, all that matters is the gentle comfort of the unknown. Gravity and dark matter work together like old friends, sewn, seen, one hidden, both essential to the beauty of the universe. Picture them embracing each star, each planet, creating gentle orbits and serene spinning dances. Let this partnership soothe your thoughts, easing away worries as you know the galaxy is shaped by the most peaceful of collaborations. Drift with these cosmic companions, surrendering to their calming embrace. Allow your mind to dance with the invisible, where every thought is a wave in the dark ocean of space. Dark matter carries these waves, letting them ripple softly across the galaxy. Gravity gathers them in serene patterns, shaping wonders we are only beginning to imagine. As you relax, trust in the universe's artistry made as much from questions as answers, and let the grace of the unseen lead you toward deep, dreamy rest. As this chapter closes, carry with you the tranquility of dark matter and the gentle pull of gravity. Remember, not all truths are visible. Some are felt softly in your heart and your dreams. Let the mysteries of the Milky Way inspire calm curiosity as you settle into sleep, knowing that the universe's wonders will hold you safely through the night. Good night, and may you drift gently among the stars and the unknown. Chapter 10. Drifting Home. A quiet cosmic farewell. As our starry journey comes to an end, imagine yourself gliding gently through space, embraced by the soft silence of the cosmos. Each sparkling memory of the Milky Way lingers like stardust on your mind, inviting you to slow your breath and reflect on the beauty that surrounds you. Rest easy now, as the galaxy quietly says goodnight. Feel the gentle pull of home as you drift through the tranquil arms of the Milky Way. The vast clouds of cosmic dust settle softly into silence, and the distant stars glimmer like candles in the night. With gratitude in your heart for the wonders you've explored, let peaceful sleep gently draw you closer. Tonight, you are part of the galaxy's endless embrace, ready for dreams and cosmic comfort. As you float quietly through the last wisps of galactic haze, recall the mysteries that filled your journey. The black hole at the center, ancient star clusters, and shimmering nebulae all left their gentle marks. Take a moment to cherish the knowledge and wonder you've gathered. The universe feels a little smaller now, wrapped around you like a warm, velvety blanket, encouraging sweet, restorative rest. Even as your adventure winds down, the Milky Way continues to spin silently, a timeless dance of light and shadow. Allow your thoughts to settle, mirroring the tranquil swirls of distant space. Let each star you visited become a beacon of calm within, illuminating peaceful dreams. Here, in the quiet company of cosmic wonders, you can rest safe and inspired by the secrets of the galaxy. Your voyage has carried you far, from newborn stars to starry nurseries and ancient remnants at the galaxy's edge. Feel gratitude for the chance to witness these marvels, and let your mind gently drift. Imagine the Milky Way whispering softly, assuring you that every question and every curiosity is welcome, and that the universe always has more to reveal. Settle in for a night of cosmic dreamscapes. As silence settles around you, notice how the galaxy seems to cradle your thoughts. Each fact and story collected tonight becomes a silent companion, guiding you gently toward restful sleep. The mysteries of dark matter, swirling nebulae, and stellar journeys are now part of your dreams. Drift deeper, trusting that the Milky Way holds you, shining quietly through the darkness to comfort and inspire you. In these closing moments, imagine a gentle wave of cosmic light sweeping across the night sky, soothing and serene. All the wonders absorbed tonight blend into a calm, velvety darkness, perfect for sleep. Remain grateful for the opportunity to journey so far without ever leaving your bed. As you drift, know that curiosity and wonder are always near, waiting for the next adventure to unfold. Let your breathing slow, in rhythm with the turning spiral arms of the Milky Way. Each peaceful inhale expands your sense of belonging, while each exhale releases remnants of earthly worries. The galaxy's mysteries shimmer just out of reach, tantalizing and gentle, ever watchful. Sleep peacefully, knowing the universe cradles you, its stories and secrets keeping you company as dreams begin to blossom in your tranquil mind. The familiar path homeward is lined with star memories and cosmic gratitude. Every lesson learned on this journey carries a message. You are a part of something vast and beautiful. In this calm, starlit space, let your mind rest and your curiosity settle into stillness. The Milky Way gently encourages you to drift into sleep, wrapped in the knowledge of galaxies, nebulae, and endless nights above. Breathe in the wonder of tonight's discoveries, feeling a gentle stillness begin to settle. As your thoughts fade into softness, picture the spiral arms of the galaxy glowing with a silent invitation to dream. Each heartbeat is in tune with the ancient rhythms of the Milky Way, welcoming you home with open arms. With gratitude illuminating your rest, surrender to the deep, calming quiet of the cosmic night. As the story closes, linger for a moment within the comforting embrace of cosmic dust and starlight. You have journeyed among wonders, and now peace descends like a soft, starlit blanket. The mysteries of the Milky Way will remain, quietly watching over you. Let this tranquility anchor you in warmth and gratitude as dreams gently unfurl, inspired by the galaxy's beauty and boundless promise. Let yourself drift further, with thoughts growing light and peaceful, like particles swirling in the quiet heart of the galaxy. Picture each star you visited, lighting the path to gentle dreams. Allow yourself to float, untethered, savoring the feeling of being part of something greater. The universe, ancient and endless, looks on with kindness, guiding your spirit into a deep and restful cosmic slumber. Your journey ends, as all great adventures dow with a sense of calm accomplishment and quiet awe. The galaxy, with its ancient secrets and radiant beauty, remains your companion, even as you drift into dreams. Thank yourself for exploring, for listening with an open heart, and for appreciating the mysteries that surround us all. Close your eyes and let the silence of the cosmos carry you gently away. Imagine yourself peacefully coasting between star fields, unhurried and serene. All those fascinating facts you gathered now rest patiently in your mind, seeds of future curiosity to blossom in tomorrow's sunlight. The Milky Way watches silently, offering you time and space to rest. Welcome the quiet. Let your breathing become gentle, and allow your dreams to float free, guided kindly by starlight and wonder. Within the hush of the galaxy, turn your thoughts to gratitude for the beauty of the Milky Way, for the mysteries both solved and still unknown. As your energy softens, release any lingering questions into the darkness, trusting that there is always more to discover. Sleep comes quietly, as the universe bids you good night, surrounding you with calm, curiosity, and dreams as deep and brilliant as the stars themselves. The celestial tide gently pulls you home, and the noise of the world falls away. Every swirling cloud and radiant star you encountered settles in your dreamscape. Feel a peaceful satisfaction, knowing you explored the galaxy with wonder and care. The night sky holds your secrets and hopes, quietly encouraging rest. Tonight, let starlight nurture your spirit, filling you with a sense of calm discovery as you surrender to sleep. If you listen closely, you might almost hear the soft hum of the Milky Way, whispers of cosmic winds and age-old stories. Let these gentle sounds invite you deeper into relaxation, every wonder now safely stored inside your heart. Sleep becomes a journey, guided by celestial hands, always patient, always caring. Allow yourself to let go and rest, inspired by the ancient embrace of our galactic home. As you approach the final moments of this drifting journey, smile for all that you've discovered tonight. The galaxy, stretching across time and space, offers you both humility and hope. Take comfort in knowing you're inseparable from this vast cosmic tapestry. Fade into gentle dreams, comforted by the knowledge that you are endlessly connected to the stars, planets, and dust that shape our home. With your imagination still glowing from starlit wonders, let your mind rest in peaceful darkness. Trust that tomorrow brings new questions and new galaxies to explore. For now, the Milky Way assures you that all is well. Let your thoughts become light and calm, drifting like cosmic dust through space, and feel gratitude for the secrets you uncovered and the quiet peace that now surrounds you. DreamLab invites you to remember that even as you rest, you are part of the universe's endless story. Every fact you've gathered, every spark of curiosity, becomes a seed for future adventures in the unknown. Let this gentle farewell soothe your mind, preparing you for restful, star-filled sleep. You have journeyed well, embraced by the Milky Way. Now surrender to dreams in the universe's tranquil arms. Release yourself to deep slumber, guided by the silent watch of a billion stars above. All the magic and wisdom gleaned tonight forms a soft foundation on which dreams can build. The Milky Way's mysteries swirl quietly, keeping you company as you sleep. Know that the calm curiosity within you will forever connect you to the wonders of the cosmos, tonight and on every future journey of discovery. In the stillness of the cosmos, your mind unwinds, lighter and calmer than before. Let each memory from this galactic voyage settle gently, like stardust on a pillow. The Milky Way stands as a patient, ever-present companion, watching over your dreams and nurturing peaceful sleep. Allow gratitude to fill your heart, knowing that you are always welcome in the wide embrace of the universe. As this gentle journey finds its close, take one last look back at the sparkling river of stars. Each fact, like a tiny lantern, guides your dreams into restful places. The universe pauses to wish you good night, hoping your curiosity will shine anew with each dawn. Sleep now in cosmic comfort, confident that galactic wonders will greet your imagination when you next awaken to dreamy explorations. Let the story settle quietly into your thoughts, leaving you warm and content. The Milky Way, with all its mysteries and marvels, remains a gentle friend in the darkness. Rest deeply, knowing you are part of something endlessly vast and beautiful. With a final, grateful breath, surrender to sleep beneath a galaxy of infinite dreams. Good night, and may the stars watch over your curious, peaceful spirit.